ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಸೇರಿದ್ರು ನೂರಾರು ಸಂಖ್ಯೆಯ ವಿದ್ಯಾರ್ಥಿಗಳ ಮುಖದಲ್ಲಿ ಸಂಭ್ರಮ, ಸಂತೋಷ ಸಡಗರ ಎದ್ದು ಕಾಣುತ್ತಿತ್ತು. ಅಷ್ಟಕ್ಕೂ ಇದು ಯಾವ ಕಾಲೇಜು? ಇವರ ಸಂಭ್ರಮಕ್ಕೆ ಕಾರಣವೇನು? ಅಲ್ಲಿ ನಡೆದಿದ್ದಾದ್ರೂ ಏನು ಅಂತ ನೀವು ಯೋಚನೆ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀರಾ? ಇದು ವಿವೇಕಾನಂದ ಇಂಜಿನಿಯರಿಂಗ್ ಕಾಲೇಜಿನಲ್ಲಿ ಇಂಜಿನಿಯರಿಂಗ್ ಪದವಿ ಮತ್ತು MBA ಸ್ನಾತಕೋತ್ತರ ಪದವಿ ಪಡೆದ ವಿದ್ಯಾರ್ಥಿಗಳಿಗೆ ಪದವಿ ಪ್ರದಾನ ಸಮಾರಂಭದಲ್ಲಿ ನಡೆದ ವಿದ್ಯಾರ್ಥಿಗಳ ಕಲರವ. ಇದೇ ಹೊತ್ತಿನ ವಿಶೇಷ ವಿವೇಕಾನಂದ ಇಂಜಿನಿಯರಿಂಗ್ ಪದವಿ ಪ್ರದಾನ ಕಾರ್ಯಕ್ರಮಕ್ಕೆ ಸ್ವಾಗತ. ನಾನು ಭಾಗೀರಥಿ. ಪುತ್ತೂರು ವಿವೇಕಾನಂದ ಇಂಜಿನಿಯರಿಂಗ್ ಕಾಲೇಜಿನಲ್ಲಿ ನಡೆದ ಪದವಿ ಪ್ರದಾನ ಸಮಾರಂಭದಲ್ಲಿ ವಿದ್ಯಾರ್ಥಿಗಳ ಸಡಗರಕ್ಕೆ ಪಾರವಿರಲಿಲ್ಲ. ಒಬ್ಬರಿಗಿಂತ ಒಬ್ಬರ ಮುಖದಲ್ಲಿ ಸಂಭ್ರಮ ಮನೆ ಮಾಡಿತ್ತು. ವಿವೇಕಾನಂದ ಇಂಜಿನಿಯರಿಂಗ್ ಕಾಲೇಜಿನಲ್ಲಿ ಪದವಿ ಮುಗಿಸಿದ ಸಂತೃಪ್ತಿ ಅವರ ಮುಖದಲ್ಲಿ ಎದ್ದು ಕಾಣುತ್ತಿತ್ತು.
Knowledge that will enable a person to embrace opportunities and take on challenges with clear vision and purpose. It's gratifying to look around and see so many familiar faces. A rapturous welcome we bring you this morning for our 5th graduation day ceremony for the batch 2017-18 in our campus, Vivekananda College of Engineering and Technology, Puttur.
On this propitious occasion, we are very much honored to have revered delegates with us. A man of illuminating ideas and inspiration to all of us, Dr. Kalladka Prabhakar Bhatt, President Vivekananda Vidyavardhaka Sangha, Puttur, as the president of today's ceremony.
The sculptor of determination and self-confidence, Shri Balram Acharya, Director, Vivekananda Vidyavardhaka Sangha, Puttur. Shortly he'll be joining with us. It is always a delight to have him with us on such an important occasion, a very dynamic president of Vivekananda College of Engineering and Technology Governing Council, Shri Satish Rao P.
जगज्जालपालं कजत्कण्ठमालं शरच्चन्द्रबालं महादैत्यकालं नभोनीलकायं दुरावारमायं सुपद्मासहायं भजेऽहम् सदाम्बुदिवासं गलत्पुष्पहासं जगत्सन्निवासं शतादित्यभासं गदाचक्रशस्त्रं लसत्पीतवस्त्रं हसच्चारुवक्त्रं भजेऽहम् रमाकण्ठहारं श्रुतिभ्रान्तसारं जलान्तर्विहारं नराभारहारं चिदानन्दरूपं मनोज्ञस्वरूपं धृतानेकरूपं भजेऽहम् जगज्जालपालं गजत्कण्ठमालं शरच्चन्द्रबालं महादैत्यकालं नभोनीलकायं दुरावारमायं सुपद्मासहायं भजेऽहम् वन्दे मातरम् वन्दे मातरम् सुजलां सुफलां मलयज शीतलां सस्यश्यामलां मातरं वन्दे मातरम् शुभ्रज्योत्स्नां पुलकितयामिनीं पुलकुसुमिता द्रुमदलशोभिनीं सुहासिनीं सुमधुरभाषिणीं सुखदां वरदां मातरं वन्दे मातरम् कोटि कोटि कंठ कलकल निनाद कराले कोटि कोटि भुजैधृता कर करवाले अबलां के नो माये तो बले बहुबलधारिणीं नमामि तारिणीं रिपुदलवारिणीं मातरं वन्दे मातरम् तुमि विद्या तुमि धर्म तुमि हृदि तुमि मर्म त्वं हि प्राणा शरीरे बाहुते तुमि मा शक्ति हृदये तुमि मा भक्ति तोमारई प्रतिमा गढ़ी मंदिरे मंदिरे वन्दे मातरम् त्वं हि दुर्गा दश प्रहरणधारिणीं कमलां कमलदलविहारिणीं वाणीं विद्यादायिनीं नमामि त्वां नमामि कमलाम् अमलाम् अतुलां सुजलां सुफलां मातरं वन्दे मातरम् श्यामलां सरलां सुस्मितां भूषितां धरणीं भरणीं मातरं वन्दे मातरम् वन्दे मातरम् भारत माता की जय।
A parent is a teacher at home, and a teacher is a parent in school, and the child is the center of our universe. As said by Swami Vivekananda, he also mentioned that take up one idea, make one idea yourself, think of it, dream of it, live on that idea. Let the brain, muscles, nerves, every part of your body be full of that idea, and just leave every other idea alone. This is the way to have success. Good morning, ladies and gentlemen, dignitaries on the dais and off the dais, invited guests, and my dear colleagues. Graduation Day is the celebration of the harvest of talents and skill. It's always a day of rejoicing, for it marks the conclusion of an educational journey and the commencement of another more uncertain and more difficult part of man's quest for a better life and future. This day is a much awaited day in every student's life, as it gives the returns to the effort put in by them throughout the academic endeavor. It gives a sense of achievement and presence of responsibility towards fulfilling further commitments. Our dear graduates are gathered here today to say goodbye to the comfortable and secure life within the college walls and to get ready to march to beat of the business world from tomorrow onwards. It is my privileged to welcome you on this 5th graduation day ceremony for the batch 2017-18 in our campus, Vivekananda College of Engineering and Technology. You all fortunate enough to have very administrator, well-known academician more than that, and who is heading our university. He is gracing this occasion to distribute eligible degree certificate to all of you. Because in the university convocation, Vice Chancellor will give degree certificate only for the rank holders. But today you are fortunate enough to have eligible degree to be distributed from him. On this blissful occasion, we are immensely blessed to have Dr. Karisiddappa, Honorable Vice Chancellor Visheshwaraya Technological University, Belagavi, as our chief guest of today's function. Since the last 2 years, he was showing interest to come here, and also our request, because of his many hectic schedule, he could not make himself to grace this occasion. He is the great administrator, the reformer, more than that, a great academician, particularly in civil engineering. He is one of the renowned person in civil engineering, if at all you identify in the Karnataka state, who is the chief guest of today's function, and who is also our Honorable Vice Chancellor of our prestigious university. I extend a warm welcome to you, sir, on behalf of Vivekananda College of Engineering and Technology, Vidyavardhaka Sangha, on my behalf, as well as all my dear colleagues and student friends. I request Dr. K. Prabhakar Bhatt to present bouquet to the chief guest, Dr. Karisiddappa, Honorable Vice Chancellor, as a token of love and affection, sir. Thank you, sir. With all my affable greetings, I cordially welcome President of today's ceremony, Dr. K. Prabhakar Bhatt, President, Vivekananda Vidyavardhaka Sangha, Puttur, who not required any introduction in this, not only in South region, even in the Karnataka or even the state also, who wholeheartedly agreed to be the president of today's function. I extend my heartfelt welcome to you, sir, on behalf of the Vivekananda Engineering College, Vidyavardhaka Sangha, all my student friends and the faculty fraternity. I request Sri Satish Rao P., the president of Vivekananda Engineering College, to present a bouquet. Thank you, sir. We have eminent personality in the dais, President of Vivekananda College of Engineering and Technology Governing Council, Sri Satish Rao, very simplest, down-to-earth person who is always driving us from the back. I extend a genial welcome to you also, sir. I request Vivek Ranjan Bhandari to florally welcome Sri Satish Rao P. I am delighted to offer a rapturous welcome to our beloved correspondent Sri Radhakrishna Bhaktaji, who is a great driving force and a guiding star of our institute. Because of some busy schedule, he went on official duty. In his absence, I extend a warm welcome to him also. I am also delighted to offer a hearty welcome to Sri Muralidhar Bhatt, the Treasurer, Vivekananda College of Engineering and Technology Governing Council, who is always supporting us and guiding us. I request Srikant Rao, HOD of ENC Department, to florally welcome. Thank you. There are no words which can convey our respect to our governing council members. Special words of welcome to our governing council director, Sri Ravi Krishna Kallaje. So I request Bhaskar Kulkarni to welcome Ravi Krishna Kallaje. As well as I request him to welcome Vivek Ranjan Bhandari, campus director. Thank you. An extra special word of welcome must go to convener of today's program, Sri Bhaskar Kulkarni, Student Welfare Officer and Assistant Professor in the Department of Mechanical Engineering. Welcome you. I request Dr. Mahesh KK, HOD of Basic Science, to florally welcome Sri Bhaskar Kulkarni. I have a great pleasure to welcome Vivekananda Vidyavardhaka Sangha officials and directors who have constantly extended support to all the high prospects of this institution. On this occasion, Sri Kini Sir, Treasurer Vivekananda Vidyavardhaka Sangha, is a gracing occasion. Heartily welcome you, sir. On this occasion, Principal of KVJ College of Engineering, Dr. Gnanesh, is also present. Florally, I welcome you, sir. Also on this occasion, the Special Officer of VTU Extension Center in Mangalore, Sri Shivkumar, also gracing the occasion. I request Sudarshan ML to florally welcome him. It is my proud privilege to welcome all the invitees, VIPs, well-wishers of this institution. We extend a joyful welcome to all of you on this celebration, sir. A fraternal welcome to all the twinkling stars of today. They are none other than our graduating students of the batch 2017-18. For cherishing this fruitful occasion, I cordially welcome you all to this august occasion on behalf of myself, the management and Vidyavardhaka Sangha and all my staff members. I express a happy welcome to the parents who consented amidst their tight schedule to ensure very moment of this wonderful function with this. I cordially welcome all the accompanying parents also. Let me extend a cordial welcome to the media and press committee who are giving a wide publicity of all our college events, whatever happening inside our campus. I express my hearty welcome to the band team, Vivekananda Kannada Medium School, Puttur, who gave very floral welcome to this auditorium. Hearty welcome to you all, team. I would like to extend a gracious welcome to all the staff, various committee coordinators and members to this august occasion. Once again, I welcome this august gathering and wish that today's events leave an indelible mark in our memory. Before I conclude welcome speech, it is our primary duty as well as courtesy to place before our Honorable Vice Chancellor the brief report of the college. Vivekananda College of Engineering Technology was established in the year 2001 under the aegis of Vivekananda Vidyavardhaka Sangha, which has a satisfied and continual service since 100 years. VC Vivekananda College of Engineering started in the 2001 with 3 BE programs. Today we have 4 BE programs, namely Civil, CS, EC and Mechanical, and 2 PG programs, 1 MTech in Electronics and MBA program. In this academic year, the student strength in the campus is nearly 1,700. On this special day, we also remember Sri Rama Bhatt, ex-MLA, a great visionary, a man with vision and value, who was instrumental in starting Vivekananda College of Engineering and Technology, particularly in the rural area, Puttur. Infrastructure is a prime requirement of institution, and of our institute has well-established infrastructure for smooth conduct of academic activities. Each classroom is connected with the projectors, and the campus is having Wi-Fi facilities, state-of-the-art laboratories and infrastructures. Vivekananda Engineering College has a central library, provides services and materials that support the mission of the institute. Currently, it has more than 6,000 titles, 44,000 volumes, 15,000 and add book banks, 1,422 SC/ST social welfare book banks, and we have e-journals, more than 8,600 and more than 14,800 e-books. Vivekananda College of Engineering is also a membership for VTU E-Consortium, Delnet New Delhi and NDL National Digital Library, New Delhi. As far as the IT services are concerned, IT services are effectively used in the Vivekananda College of Engineering for the academic delivery. The college is connected with the 48 Mbps bandwidth dedicated leased line with 710 computers being used for the academic purpose, and VCT uses Moodle, NPTEL, MOOCs on open source platform, which helps educators to develop and manage course online. Placement and training. The Department of Placement and Training is established to groom the students to obtain employment in the reputed organizations. This particular year, already 70 and add corporate opportunities are given to the students in this college.
ಜೈ ಶ್ರೀರಾಮ್. ಈ ಪದವಿ ಪ್ರದಾನ ಸಮಾರಂಭ ಉದ್ಘಾಟನೆ ಆಗಿದೆ ಅಂತ ತಮ್ಮೆಲ್ಲರ ಎದುರಿನಲ್ಲಿ ನಾನು ಹೇಳ್ಕೊಳ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೇನೆ.
All graduates of Vivekananda Engineering College to kindly rise from their seats. The graduate of Vivekananda College of Engineering and Technology, Puttur, solemnly pledge that honesty, sincerity, and hard work shall be the cherished values of my life. The motto of Vivekananda College of Engineering and Technology, discipline and excellence is the way of life, shall be the guiding principle of my life. I shall endeavor to the best of my ability, to the worthy of my institute, my profession, and society. I shall always place my country above self. May God bless me. Thank you all.
This is the Upanishadic convocation address, which occurs in the Taittiriya Upanishad Shikshavalli. First, I would read the accented text as it is, then I would followed by the translation. Om Shri Gurubhyo Namaha Harihi Om वेदमनूच्याचार्योऽन्ते वासिनमनुषास्ति सत्यं वद धर्मं चर स्वाध्यायान्मा प्रमदः आचार्याय प्रियं धनमाहृत्य प्रजातन्तुं मा व्यवच्छेत्सीः सत्यान्न प्रमदितव्यं धर्मान्न प्रमदितव्यं कुशलान्न प्रमदितव्यं भूत्यै न प्रमदितव्यं स्वाध्याय प्रवचनाभ्यां न प्रमदितव्यं देवपितृकार्याभ्यां न प्रमदितव्यं मातृदेवो भव पितृदेवो भव आचार्यदेवो भव अतिथिदेवो भव यान्यनवद्यानि कर्माणि तानि सेवितव्यानि नो इतराणि यान्यस्माकं सुचरितानि तानि त्वयोपास्यानि नो इतराणि ये के चास्मच्छ्रेयागुंसो ब्राह्मणाः तेषां त्वयासनेन प्रश्वसितव्यं श्रद्धया देयम् अश्रद्धया देयं श्रिया देयं ह्रिया देयं भिया देयं संविधा देयम् अथ यदि ते कर्मविचिकित्सा वा वृत्तविचिकित्सा वा स्यात् ये तत्र ब्राह्मणाः सम्मर्षिणः युक्ता आयुक्ताः अलूक्षाधर्मकामाः स्युः यथा ते तत्र वर्तेरन् तथा तत्र वर्तेथाः अथाभ्या आख्यातेषु ये तत्र ब्राह्मणाः सम्मर्षिणः युक्ता आयुक्ताः अलूक्षाधर्मकामाः स्युः यथा ते तेषु वर्तेरन् तथा तेषु वर्तेथाः एष आदेशः एष उपदेशः एषा वेदोपनिषत् एतदनुशासनम् एवमुपासितव्यम् एवमुचैतदुपास्यम् ॐ शान्तिः शान्तिः शान्तिः
The glittering of gold and diamond, blooming of flowers, explains its beauty by own. Even we explain them. This statement is true in case of wisdom man with knowledge, administrative skills and achievement. Yes, he is none other than Dr. Karisiddappa, Honorable Vice Chancellor of Visvesvaraya Technological University, Belagavi, a leading university in Asia and the only technical university in Karnataka state. It's my duty to introduce Dr. Karisiddappa, the Honorable Vice Chancellor of VTU, Belagavi. Dr. Karisiddappa graduated BE in Civil Engineering in 1981 from Malnad College of Engineering, Hassan, by securing 7th rank. Later, M.Tech in Structural Engineering in 1986 from IIT Madras and PhD in 1994 from IIT Roorkee. He began his career as lecturer at Alchanchanagiri Institute of Technology, Chikmagalur in 1982. For a brief period, he also served as assistant engineer in PWD, Government of Karnataka. Later, he served for 28 years in Malnad College of Engineering, Hassan, from the year 1983 to 2010 and worked in various capacities from lecturer to HOD and vice principal to dean. Prior to his appointment as Vice Chancellor of VTU, he was the principal of Government Engineering College, Hassan, from 2010 to 2016 and implemented good practices in teaching, learning and research to impart quality education and transform the college as one of the best learning centers in Karnataka. During his 35 years of research in the field of structural engineering, he has undertaken and completed research projects with the grants sanctioned by AICTE, DRDO, and KSCST, and various structural engineering consultancy projects.
The president of Vidyavardhaka Sangha, Vivekananda Vidyavardhaka Sangha, Putturu, and also the president of today's graduation day celebrations, Dr. K. Prabhakar Bhatji, On the dais, we have Sri Satish Rao P., President of Vivekananda College of Engineering and Technology. In absentia, Sri Radhakrishna Bhatta, the correspondent of this institution. Sri Muralidhar Bhattji, the treasurer of Vivekananda Vidyavartaka Sangha, Puttur. Sri Ravi Kallaje ji, the director of this institution. The governing council members of Vivekananda Trust and the College of Engineering and Technology. The principal of this institution, Dr. M.S. Govindegowda ji. Professors and HODs of various departments from Vivekananda College of Engineering and Technology. The supporting staff of this institution. Special invitees to this occasion, Dr. Gnanesh, the principal of Sulya, KVJ College of Engineering. Dr. Shivkumar, Special Officer of Extension Center of VTU, Mangalore region. Other invitees, ladies and gentlemen, my dear graduating student friends, parents, press and media. At the outset, I wish to congratulate all the graduating students who are getting their degree from Vishvesvaraya Technological University and who have conducted themselves so well for the last 4 years. Some of you may be more than 4 years from Vivekananda College of Engineering and Technology. Friends, I take this opportunity to congratulate the President, the Governing Council members, the Principal, and the teaching family of Vivekananda College of Engineering, Puttur, for their wonderful show, not only in terms of providing good education or achieving something very special in terms of results and encouraging the students to participate in various curricular, co-curricular activities of the university, and also to support the young minds of your class to graduate from this institution. Friends, you have learnt engineering with some of the code words or keywords or some technologies, etc., etc. The overall, irrespective of the branch of engineering you have taken, my team of teachers and professors have given you knowledge, have given you skill set, and have given you the confidence. The knowledge, whatever you have earned, is going to be useful in terms of career or entrepreneurship you take up, or the ventures you carry out, or higher studies you would be going to look after your graduation studies, or any venture you do. The engineering knowledge what you have gained will be useful to you.
Our Vivekananda College of Engineering and Technology graduates have academically performed extremely well. Now, I'll be announcing the names of the graduates, recognizing them for the same. Also, I request Dr. Kari Siddhappa, Honorable Vice Chancellor, Vishvesvaraya Technological University, Belagavi, to hand over the prizes to the meritorious graduates. I request the toppers to collect the prizes as soon as the names are called. Engineering Department, Ms. Meenakshi Prabhakaran. From Information Science Engineering Department, Ms. Prajna. From Civil Engineering Department, Ms. Deeksha M.S. From Electronics and Communication Engineering Department, Mr. Akshay H.S. From Mechanical Engineering Department, Mr. Sudarshan B. Due to his family function, he is not able to attend the graduation ceremony. From MBA Department, Ms. Pallavi K. Okay, thank you, sir. Congratulations to all the toppers.
May I now request Dr. Kalladka Prabhakar Bhatt, President of today's function, to felicitate the chief guest, Dr. Karisiddappa, Honorable Vice Chancellor, Vishweshwaraya Technological University, Belagavi. I request our Principal, Dr. M.S. Govindegowda, to assist the President, and I also request other dignitaries to join.
ವಿವೇಕಾನಂದ ಕಾಲೇಜ್ ಆಫ್ ಇಂಜಿನಿಯರಿಂಗ್ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಟೆಕ್ನಾಲಜಿಯ ಕರಿಸಿದ್ದಪ್ಪನವರು ನನಗೆ ಈ ಹೆಸರು ಯಾಕೆ ಇಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ ಅಂತ ಒಂದು ಸಣ್ಣದು ಯೋಚನೆ ಬಂತು. ಸಿದ್ದಪ್ಪ ಅಂದರೆ ಸಾಧನೆ ಮಾಡಿದವರು ಅಂತ. ಕರಿ ಯಾಕೆ ಅಂತ ಕೇಳಿದರೆ, ನಿಮ್ಮ ಊರಿನ ಮಣ್ಣು ಅದು ಭಾರಿ ಕರಿ ಅಂದರೆ ಭಾರಿ ಫಲಪ್ರದ ಅಂತ, ಫಲವತ್ತಾದಂಥ ಭೂಮಿಯಿಂದ, ಆ ಫಲವತ್ತಾದಂಥ ಭೂಮಿಯಿಂದ ಸಾಧನೆ ಮಾಡಿ ಬಂದು ಸಮಾಜಕ್ಕೆ ಭಾರಿ ದೊಡ್ಡ ಒಂದು ಫಲವನ್ನು ಕೊಡ್ತಾ ಇರುವಂಥ ಕರಿಸಿದ್ದಪ್ಪನವರೇ, ವೇದಿಕೆ ಮೇಲಿರುವಂಥ ಎಲ್ಲ ಗಣ್ಯರೇ, ಪದವಿಯನ್ನು ಪಡೆದು ಸಮಾಜದ ಮಧ್ಯಕ್ಕೆ ಹೋಗ್ತಾ ಇರುವಂಥ ಎಲ್ಲ ನನ್ನ ಆತ್ಮೀಯ ವಿದ್ಯಾರ್ಥಿನಿಯರೇ, ನಿಮ್ಮ ಜೀವನದ ಒಂದು ಕಾಲಘಟ್ಟ ಮುಗಿಯಿತು. ಇವತ್ತಿನವರೆಗೆ ಅದು ಶಿಶು ಮಂದಿರನೋ LKG ಇವತ್ತಿನವರೆಗೆ ನೀವು ಬಂದಾಗ ನಿಮ್ಮನ್ನು ಹಂತ ಹಂತದಲ್ಲಿ ತಿಳುವಳಿಕೆ ಕೊಟ್ಟು ತಪ್ಪಿದಾಗ ಸರಿ ಮಾಡಿ ಬೆನ್ನು ತಟ್ಟಿ ಪ್ರೋತ್ಸಾಹಿಸಿದ ನೂರಾರು ಜನ ಅಧ್ಯಾಪಕರು ಬಂಧುಗಳು ಇರುವುದು. ಇವತ್ತಿಂದ ನೀವು ಸಮಾಜದ ಮಧ್ಯಕ್ಕೆ ಹೋಗ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀರಾ. ಸಮಾಜದಲ್ಲಿ ಈ ರೀತಿ ಹಂತ ಹಂತದಲ್ಲಿ ನಿಮ್ಮನ್ನು ಬೆನ್ನು ತಟ್ಟುವರಿಲ್ಲ. ಅವರೊಂದು ಮಾತನ್ನು ಹೇಳಿದರು, ಸವಾಲುಗಳು ಭಾರಿ ಇದೆ ಅಂತ. ಸಮಾಜದ ಮಧ್ಯದಲ್ಲಿ ನಿಮ್ಮನ್ನು ಕಾಲು ಹಿಡಿದು ಎಳೆಯೋರೇ ಜಾಸ್ತಿ. ಸಮಾಜದಲ್ಲಿ ಬೆನ್ನು ತಟ್ಟಿ ಮುಂದಕ್ಕೆ ಹೋಗು ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತಾ ಇಲ್ಲ. ಆದರೆ ಕಳೆದ 10-18 ವರ್ಷಗಳಲ್ಲಿ ನೀವೇನೇನು ಕಲ್ತಿದ್ದೀರಾ, ತಿಳ್ಕೊಂಡಿದ್ದೀರಾ, ಆ ಎಲ್ಲ ಜ್ಞಾನ, ವಿವೇಕಾನಂದದಲ್ಲಿ ಏನು ನೀನು ಅನುಭವವನ್ನು ಪಡ್ತಿದ್ದೀರಾ, ಆ ಎಲ್ಲ ಅನುಭವಗಳು ಮುಂದಿನ ನಿಮ್ಮ ಜೀವನಕ್ಕೆ ಒಂದು ದಾರಿ ದೀಪ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ, ಒಂದು ಬುತ್ತಿಯೂ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ಮುಂದಿಂದ ಏನು ಇರಬೇಕು ಅಂತ ಹೇಳೋದನ್ನು ಮಾನ್ಯ ಕರಿಸಿದ್ದಪ್ಪನವ್ರು ಭಾಳ ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿ ವಿವರಿಸಿದರು ನಿಮ್ಮ ಮುಂದೆ. ನಾನು ನೆನಪು ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇರುವಂಥದ್ದು, ಇಷ್ಟೆಲ್ಲ ಪಡ್ಕೊಂಡಿದ್ದೀರಾ, ಮುಂದೆ ಏನು ಮಾಡಬೇಕು ನೀವು? ಸ್ವಾಭಾವಿಕ ಸಂಪಾದನೆ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು, ಜೀವನ ನಡೆಸಬೇಕು, ಅದಕ್ಕೋಸ್ಕರ ಯಾವುದಾದ್ರು ಒಂದು ಕೆಲಸಕ್ಕೆ ಸೇರಿಕೊಳ್ಬೇಕು ಅಂತ ಹೇಳೋದು ಒಂದು ಭಾಗ. ಇನ್ನೊಂದು ಭಾರಿ ಪ್ರಮುಖವಾದಂಥ ಭಾಗ ಏನು? ನಮಗೆ ಒಂದು ಋಣ ಇದೆ, ನಮಗೆ ಒಂದು ಸಾಲ ಇದೆ ನಮ್ಮ ಹತ್ರ. ಅದು ನಮ್ಮ ಸಮಾಜದ್ದು, ಅದು ನಮ್ಮ ದೇಶದ್ದು. ಈ ವರ್ಷ ಇತ್ತೀಚೆಗೆ ನಮ್ಮ ದೇಶದ ಮಾಜಿ ಪ್ರಧಾನಿ ಅಟಲ್ ಬಿಹಾರಿ ವಾಜಪೇಯಿ ಅವರು ಇತ್ತೀಚೆಗೆ ಕಂಡಂಥ ಒಬ್ಬ ಸರ್ವಶ್ರೇಷ್ಠ ವ್ಯಕ್ತಿ ಅವರು ನಿಧನರಾದರು. ಆವಾಗ ಒಂದು ಪತ್ರಿಕೆಯಲ್ಲಿ ಅವರೊಬ್ಬರು ಕವಿಯಾದ್ದರಿಂದ ಅವ್ರು ಏನು ಬರೆದಿದ್ದಾರೆ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿದರು. ನಾನು ಹಿಂದಿನ ಒಂದು ಸಲ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಉಲ್ಲೇಖ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದೆ. ಅವರು ಈ ದೇಶದ ಬಗ್ಗೆ ಅವರು ಹೇಳಬೇಕಾದ್ರೆ ಅವರು ಹೇಳಿದರು, ತಾಯಿ ನಿನಗೆ ವಂದನೆ, ಅಭಿನಂದನೆ, ನಿನಗೆ ನನ್ನ ಅರ್ಪಣೆ ಮತ್ತು ತರ್ಪಣೆ. ಈ ದೇಶದಲ್ಲಿರುವಂಥ ಒಂದೊಂದು ಕಲ್ಲುಗಳು ಕೂಡ ಶಿವಶಂಕರನಂತೆ, ಒಂದೊಂದು ಬಿಂದು ನೀರು ಕೂಡ ಗಂಗೆಯಂತೆ. ನನ್ನ ಬದುಕು ನಿನಗೋಸ್ಕರ, ನನ್ನ ಸಾವು ನಿನಗೋಸ್ಕರ. ಸತ್ತ ಮೇಲೆ ಅದು ಅದರ ಎಲುಬುಗಳು ಅದು ಗಂಗೆಯಲ್ಲಿ ತೇಲ್ತಾ ಹೋಗ್ತದೆ. ನೀನೇನಾದರೂ ಆ ಎಲುಬಿನ ಹತ್ತಿರ ಕಿವಿ ಕೊಟ್ಟರೆ ಆ ಏಲುಬು ಹೇಳ್ತಾ ಇದೆ ಭಾರತ್ ಮಾತಾ ಕಿ ಜೈ ಅಂತ. ಅಂದರೆ ಜೀವನ ಪೂರ್ತಿ ದೇಶಕ್ಕೋಸ್ಕರ ಅಂತ, ಈ ಸಮಾಜಕ್ಕೋಸ್ಕರ. ಈ ಸಮಾಜ ನನ್ನನ್ನು ಬೆಳೆಸಿದೆ, ಈ ಸಮಾಜ ನನಗೆ ಶಕ್ತಿ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದೆ, ಅದು ಎಲ್ಲ ರೀತಿಯ ಶಕ್ತಿಯನ್ನು ನಮಗೆ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದೆ. ನಾವೇನಾದರೂ ಇದನ್ನು ನಮ್ಮ ಅಡಿಪಾಯ, ಫೌಂಡೇಶನ್ ಅಂತ ಇಟ್ಟುಕೊಂಡ್ರೆ ನನಗನ್ಸರಿ ನೀವು ನಿಮ್ಮ ಜೀವನದಲ್ಲಿ ಭಾರಿ ದೊಡ್ಡ ಒಂದು ಯಶಸ್ಸನ್ನು ಸಾಧಿಸ್ತೀರಾ ಅಂತ. ಅಮೇರಿಕದಲ್ಲಿ ಹಿಂದೆ ಒಬ್ಬ ಅಧ್ಯಕ್ಷ, ಅವರ ಹೆಸರು ಜಾನ್ ಎಫ್ ಕೆನಡಿ ಅಂತ, ಭಾರಿ ದೊಡ್ಡ ಅಂತರದಿಂದ, ಲ್ಯಾಂಡ್ ಸ್ಲೈಡ್ ವಿಕ್ಟರಿ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತಾರೆ, ಆ ಅಂತರದಿಂದ ಅವರು ಗೆದ್ದದ ಮೇಲೆ ಅವರನ್ನು ಮೆರವಣಿಗೆಯಲ್ಲಿ ಕರ್ಕೊಂಡು ಹೋದರು. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ನೀವು ಕಾಲೇಜಿನಲ್ಲಿ ಯಾರೊಬ್ಬ ಅಧ್ಯಕ್ಷ ಆದರೂ ಮೆರವಣಿಗೆಯಲ್ಲಿ ಕರ್ಕೊಂಡು ಹೋಗ್ತೀರ, ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಹಾಗಿರ್ಬೋದು. ಲಕ್ಷಾಂತರ ಜನ ಅವರನ್ನು ಮೆರವಣಿಗೆಯಲ್ಲಿ ಕರ್ಕೊಂಡು ಹೋದರು. ಅದಾದಮೇಲೆ ಅವರ ಮನೆ ಯಾವುದಿದೆ, ಗವರ್ನರ್ಸ್ ಹೌಸ್ ಅಲ್ಲ, ಪ್ರೆಸಿಡೆಂಟ್ಸ್ ಹೌಸ್, ವೈಟ್ ಹೌಸ್ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತಾರೆ, ಅಲ್ಲಿ ವೇದಿಕೆ ಮೇಲೆ ನಿಮ್ಮ ಮೇಲೆ ನಿಲ್ಲಿಸಿದರು. ಅವರು ಎಲ್ರಿಗೂ ಧನ್ಯವಾದ ಹೇಳಿದರು, ಕೈ ಮುಗಿದು ಹೊರಡಬೇಕಾದ್ರೆ ಜನ ಕೇಳಿದರು, ಹೇ ಎಲ್ಲಿಗೆ ಹೋಗ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀರಾ ನೀವು? ಕಳೆದ 4-5 ವರ್ಷಗಳಿಂದ ನಿಮಗೋಸ್ಕರ ನಾವು ನಮ್ಮ ಕೆಲಸಗಳನ್ನು ಬಿಟ್ಟು ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ರಾಜೀನಾಮೆ ಕೊಟ್ಟು ಹಣ ಖರ್ಚು ಮಾಡಿ ಏಟು ತಿಂದು ಕೇಸ್ ಹಾಕಿಸ್ಕೊಂಡು ಎಲ್ಲ ಒದ್ದಾಡಿದ್ದೇವೆ. ಇವತ್ತು ನಮಗೆ ಧನ್ಯವಾದ ಹೇಳಿ ಹೋಗ್ತೀರಾ ನೀವು? ಎಲ್ಲಿಗೆ ಹೋಗ್ತೀರಾ ನೀವು? ನಾವು ಕೇಳ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೇವೆ, ನೀವು ಅಧ್ಯಕ್ಷ ಆದಮೇಲೆ ಇಷ್ಟೆಲ್ಲ ನಾವು ಹೋರಾಟ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದೇವೆ, ನೀವು ನಮಗೇನು ಕೊಡ್ತೀರಾ? ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ವೈಟ್ ಹೌಸಿನಲ್ಲಿ ಚಿನ್ನದ ಅಕ್ಷರದಲ್ಲಿ ಬರೆದಿದ್ದಾರಂತೆ ಅವರು. ಅದೇನು ಅಂತ ಕೇಳಿದರೆ, ಕಳೆದ ಅನೇಕ ಶತಕಗಳಿಂದ, ಶತಮಾನದಿಂದ ಈ ದೇಶ ನಿಮಗೆ ಕೊಡ್ತಾನೆ ಬಂದಿದೆ, ಎಲ್ಲವನ್ನು ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದೆ. ಇವತ್ತು ಅಮೇರಿಕದ ಒಬ್ಬ ವ್ಯಕ್ತಿ ಜಗತ್ತಿನ ಯಾವುದೇ ಮೂಲೆಗೆ ಹೋದರೂ ಅಲ್ಲಿಯ ಜನ ಅತ್ಯಂತ ಗೌರವದಿಂದ ನಿಮ್ಮನ್ನು ನೋಡ್ತಾರೆ. ಇಂಥದ್ದು ಅಮೇರಿಕ ನಿಮಗೆ ಕೊಡ್ತಾನೆ ಬಂದಿದೆ ಕಳೆದ 100 ವರ್ಷಗಳಿಂದ. ಈಗ ನಾನು ಕೇಳ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೇನೆ, ಇದೆಲ್ಲವನ್ನು ನೀವು ದೇಶದಲ್ಲಿ ಪಡ್ಕೊಂಡಿದ್ದೀರಾ, ಈ ದೇಶಕ್ಕೆ ನೀವು ವಾಪಸ್ ಏನು ಕೊಡ್ತೀರಾ? ಇದು ನಮ್ಮ ದೃಷ್ಟಿಕೋನ ಆಗಬೇಕು.
It is my proud privilege and great joy to stand before you to introduce our computer science graduates. I request all computer science batch 2014-18 graduates to rise from their seats. I am honored to introduce our information science graduates of batch 2014-18.
Aditi Rai, Amit Shankar, Anusha CH, Anusha VN, Anushri K, Ashura AK, Aishat Ruxana, Aisha Yam, Bharatraj Yam, Chaitra EK, Chaitra P, Dikshita Shetty, Deepashri K, Deepika M K, Disha Dikshita D'Souza, Divya H, Dwaraknath, Elvira Krasta, Faiza Yam, Fatimat Meharupa TM, Fatimat Shabnam, Fatimat Taslima, Harshita, Jagrati GS, K. Meenakshi Prabhakaran, Kavya PK, Krishnaraj Rao H, Madhu Rai K, Mahesh Krishna A, Mahima Arvi. Mayura Prabhu B. Meghana S. Meghana S. Mallar. Muttamma A.S. Nagaraj. Namrata Bandarkar K.N. Nishant Anchan K.N. Pavana K. Pavitra G. Bhatt. Pavitra K. Pavitra P.S. Purvika Wagle K. Prajna K.V. Pratapa K. Raksha J.S. Rao Aditya Vishwesh. Revant R. Rizwan. Samshun Nisa. Sita Lakshmi Yan. Sitamma P.P. Sharada Devi S.A. Sharanya V. Shilpa. Shimsha G.J. Shishira R. Shetty. Srinidhi Rai Yanji. Srinidhi. Srishti Sajan. Somi Paul. Soundaryesh. Saujanya M. Suma. Sushmita M. Swati K. Tanmayi MS. Tejasvi. Vittal Bhatt. Yasmin PK. Shetty Kaushik Kusumadkar. Manasa K. Manish. Department of Information Science and Engineering, Khatijamma Hasina. Aditi Yogesh. Ankita B. Chetan Yassi. Chinmay Prasad. Diksha Vairai. Fatimat Shahnaz. Harshavardhan Rai. Harshita KM. Naksha Rai Yandi. Priya Nayak. Rajendra Prasad. Shashikiran. Shetty Shruti Jaya. Shriman AS. Soumya B. In this special occasion, we have the proud parents of our students in their absence. I take this opportunity to call them here to collect graduation certificates. Parents of Diksha B. Parents of Diksha KR. Parents of Shweta Kini G. Congratulations to all the graduates. Thank you.
Pratap Naik D. Rachana K. Usha Rani HP. A.N. Pallavi. Abdul Samad P. Abhish V. Abhishek Yandi. आदर्श के, आदित्य भट्ट के, ऐश्वर्या एस, अजित कुमार के, अक्षता सी एच, अक्षय गोविंद एम, अमिता एम ए, अर्चना आर, अतुल के एन, बालमुरली पी, भाष्यलक्ष्मी पी, भावना ऐके, बोपण्णा पी के, चैत्रा जीवी, चंद्रशेखर, चेतन एमडी, दीक्षा एमएस, दीक्षा राय पी, दीक्षित के, दीपिका के, दिशा बी, दिव्या एमपी, दुर्गा आर, गौतम करवाजे, गुरुराज एके, हर्षित आर, हेमंत ईजी, हिमा जीवी, जाफर सादिक, जमशाद, गोपिका गोपालकृष्णन, काव्या एमबी, किरण के, कीर्तन बी आर, मोहम्मद खलील के, मोहम्मद सफीक, महेश अलसनाड, मालविका पुदवाड़, मणितेश एस राई, मोक्षित के, मोक्षिता एम, Parin Kumar. Pavan B. Shetty. Pavan Kumar C.A. Prajit M.V. Pratik G.U. Rahasya K.H. Rakshita Shetty. Rohan. S. Rajakrishnan. Sachin Kumar M. Shanmukha B.J. Shreyas U. Shrutej N. Spurti B.T. Spurti M.R. Sri Lakshmi M. Tausif. Vaibhav Prasad. Vidyasagar P. Vijayata KV. Vikas CN. Vivek PS. Akash Suresh K. Mohan BR. Adarsha M. Anupji Pai. Basanagaud Patil. Hare Krishna KR. Kanti K. Karthik K. M. Gopi. Manjunath Kerur. Mrudula A. Pavan S. Prakash H. Rishik Naik K. Sabit Shetty D. Shirat Kumar. Sridhar Pachangi. Sukesh Rai. Sukesh T. Thank you.
I request all EC graduates to raise from their position. I request all EC graduates to raise from their position. Sir, these are the graduates of 2014-18 batch.
Aditya KP, Kritika KC, Varun Kumar, Abhishek K, Abhishek K, Ahana Rai, Akshata Binayak, Amulya BJ, Ananya Savitri, Anjana, Aisha, Bindu, Chaitra KV, Chaitra N, Chaitra B, Chaitra K, Chaitra Kakatkar, Charan Kumar, Chetan V, Chinmay, Dakshat P. Dhananjay, Ishan, Gayatri A, Harish, Hari Prasad, Kavita B, Kritika K. Bhatt, Madhusudan, Manoj Kumar, Pooja N, Poojita V, Prajwal MS, Pratik S, Pratiksha KS, Rashmi DS, Rakshita CK, Rohit BL, Sanchita N, Sandhya, Sharat Shetty, Shashwat Rai, Shraddha AP, Shravan GS, Shri Raksha CR, Shreya N, Shruti AS, Shweta B, Sinchana Pujari, Sonali, Suhasius, Supreet KS, Suraksha G, Swastik A, Vikyat B, Vikram, Vishwita, Pavitra, Harshit Kumar Rai, Preetam B, thank you, sir. Naveen CV from ENC. Thank you, sir.
I now request all the mechanical engineering graduates to rise from their seats.
Aditya Raidi, Akash Acharya, Akhil R, Akshay Ganapati Revankar, Amar, Amoga K, Amritesh HR, Ashwat Shetty, Ashwin K, Atish Gowda, Chetan Kumar C, Chetan M, Darshan, Divijesh, Ganesh Prasad AP, Guru Raghavendra U, ಹರ್ಷ ಡಿ ಪೂಜಾರಿ, ಹರ್ವಿನ್ ಜೀತನ್ ಲಸ್ರಾದೋ, ಹಿತೇಶ್ ಬಿ ಎಸ್, ಜೀವನ್ ಜಿ ಬಿ, ಕಾರ್ತಿಕ್ ಶೆಟ್ಟಿ ವಿ, ಕೌಶಿಕ್ ಕುಮಾರ್, ಕೌಶಿಕ್ ಎನ್ ಎಸ್, ಕಿರಣ್ ರೈ, ಮೊಹಮ್ಮದ್ ನೌಷದ್, ಮಂದಾರ್, ಮೇಘದೀಪ್, ಮರ್ವಿನ್ ಲಾಯ್ಡ್ ಡಿಸೋಜಾ, ಮೊಹಮ್ಮದ್ ಮುಸ್ತಫಾ, ಮೊಹಮ್ಮದ್ ಬಶೀರ್, ಮುರಳಿ ಕೃಷ್ಣ ಎಸ್, ಮುಷಬ್ ಮೊಹಮ್ಮದ್, ನಳಿನಾಕ್ಷ ಬಿ, ನವನೀತ್ ಜಿ ಕೆ, ಪ್ರಜ್ವಲ್ ಆಚಾರ್ಯ ಎ, ಪ್ರಸನ್ನ ಕುಮಾರ್ ಡಿ ಆರ್, ಪೃಥ್ವಿರಾಜ್ ಕೆ ಎಸ್, ರಾಘವೇಂದ್ರ, ರಾಹುಲ್ ಜೆ ರಾವ್, ರಕ್ಷಣ್ ಕೆ ಎಸ್, ಸಚಿನ್ ಕೆ ಜೆ, ಸಚಿನ್ ಎಸ್, ಸಾಗರ್ ಬಿ ಆರ್, ಸಂಜಯ್ ಆರ್, ಸನ್ನಿಧಿ, ಶರತ್, ಶರತ್ ಸಿ ಎಚ್, ಶರತ್ ಕಾಮತ್, ಶಶಾಂಕ ಎಂ ಜೆ, ಶೋಧನ್ ಬಿ ಎಸ್, ಶೀರ್ಷಶಾಸ್ತ್ರಿ, ಸುಧೀಂದ್ರ, ಸುರೇಶ್ ಗಣಪತಿ ನಾಯಕ್, ಸುಶಾಂತ, ವರುಣ್ ಎನ್, ಯೋಗೀಶ, ಅಮಿತ್ ಕುಮಾರ್ ಎಂ, ಬಸವರಾಜ್ ತೆಗಿ, ದೀಪಕ್ ಮಯ್ಯ ಬಿ, ಪ್ರಜ್ವಲ್ ಕಡಮೆ, ಸಂಕೇತ್ ಕೆ, ಯೋಗಾನಂದ ಬಿಜಿ, ಯೋಗೇಶ್ ಮಾದೇವನಾಯಕ್, ಥ್ಯಾಂಕ್ ಯು.
I request our beloved treasurer, Sri Muralidhar Bhatt, to present the certificates to the graduates. Ajna Aditi, Abhilash P, Akshita KG, Bhavya P, Blessy Johnson, Chaitra, Deepika, Danuja, Divya, Divya Shri Rai, Hina Kausar, Jayashri NH, Madhushri, Navya, Niriksha Rai, Nityashri, Pallavi, Pavitra, Rahani, Raksha IS, Ramya K. Pai, Ramya, Ranjita, Samhita, Sandesh Sharma, Sandhya, Shilpa, Shweta, Sumana, Sushmita K, Vishwajit, Shri Raksha from MTech, yeah, thanks.
Respected dignitaries on and off the dais, lecturers, non-teaching staff, families, and fellow graduates, good afternoon to you all. First of all, I'm honored to speak on this occasion and I'm privileged to receive the honor. Next, I'd like to congratulate all my dear friends for graduating.
I feel very happy today because we are graduated on this special occasion. First of all, I would like to congratulate all my friends for being graduated. The journey to reach to this day was not easy. Our continuous efforts with the right guidance of our beloved lecturers made us what we are today. And we have begun our new journey where we inculcate all this guidance and knowledge that we receive from this institution.
Good afternoon to one and all here. Dignitaries on the dais, off the dais, all my fellow friends, and all the parents here. It's been a great journey in this college, from turning the tassel from the left to the right. This 4 years is a memorable years one can get in this college. This college has helped me personally grow from one small individual to the situation where I am into one dignified position. It has been a great honor to study in this college. Even though at the very initial stages, I used to always tell bad things about the college, but once the moment I stepped out of this college has given me the utmost knowledge, and I am proud that I am the graduate of VCET.
Today, I would like to congratulate all my fellow mates who have graduated today. The 4 years have been very precious to all of us. The teaching staff have been very supportive. They have allowed us to think in a different way, like in SAE.
I come from a rural background of Surya. In the year 2016, I applied for MBA. I chose a VCT Puttu for its focus on excellence and discipline. When I came here, I was novice, raw, untrained, unexposed, not so confident. The journey over the last 2 years has been wonderful, exciting, and enlightening.
First of all, on behalf of the management, principal, all the faculty members, and my dear graduates, I would like to take this opportunity to express our gratefulness with a wholehearted thanks to the Honorable Chief Guest of today's function, Dr. Kari Siddhappa sir, Vice Chancellor, Vishwesvaraya Technical University, Belgaum, for sparing his precious time. Thank you, sir. In absence, my respectful and humble gratitude towards the President of the function, Dr. Kalladka Prabhakar Bhatt sir, for gracing this function. Thank you. My special thanks to Sri Balram Acharya sir for in his absence for gracing the occasion. My heartfelt thanks to Sri Satish Rao, President VCET Governing Council, for gracing the function. Thank you, sir.
Graduation Day 2018 close.
नमन अधिनायक जय हे भारत भाग्य विदाता पंजाब सिंधु गुजरात मराठा द्राविड उत्कल बंगा विंध्य हिमाचल यमुना गंगा उच्चल जलधि तरंगा तव शुभ नामे जागे तव शुभाशिष मागे गाहे तव जय गाथा जनगण मंगलदायक जय हे भारत भाग्य विधाता जय हे जय हे जय हे जय 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 हे।
ನೋಡಿದ್ರಲ್ಲ ವೀಕ್ಷಕರೇ, ರಾಜ್ಯದಲ್ಲೇ ಅತ್ಯುತ್ತಮ ಕಾಲೇಜ್ ಎಂಬ ಹೆಗ್ಗಳಿಕೆಯನ್ನ ಗಳಿಸಿಕೊಂಡಿರುವಂತಹ ವಿವೇಕಾನಂದ ಇಂಜಿನಿಯರಿಂಗ್ ಕಾಲೇಜಿನ ಇಂಜಿನಿಯರಿಂಗ್ ಪದವಿ ವಿದ್ಯಾರ್ಥಿಗಳ ಮತ್ತು MBA ಸ್ನಾತಕೋತ್ತರ ಪದವಿ ವಿದ್ಯಾರ್ಥಿಗಳ ಪದವಿ ಪ್ರದಾನ ಸಮಾರಂಭ ಕಾರ್ಯಕ್ರಮದ ಹೈಲೈಟ್ಸ್ ಅನ್ನ. ಇದು ಈ ಹೊತ್ತಿನ ವಿಶೇಷ ಕಾರ್ಯಕ್ರಮ. ಮುಂದಿನ ಕಾರ್ಯಕ್ರಮದೊಂದಿಗೆ ಮತ್ತೆ ಭೇಟಿಯಾಗೋಣ. ನಮಸ್ಕಾರ.